Be a better human for your dog with these tips and tricks. Sometimes our dogs can get a little fat. This usually happens due to dietary reasons and due to a lack of exercise. The excess weight isn't doing much for your dog's physical appearance or its health. You can help your dog lose that weight by using the tips included below. Avoid giving your pup table scraps. You will spoil him and his appetite and set up begging behavior. Table scraps can negatively affect the dog's health and cause digestive issues or obesity. While you and your family dine, keep your dog in another room so that table feeding isn't an option. No matter how nicely your dog behaves, never take it off your property unless it is on a leash. Dogs are easily distracted by other animals, cars, and kids, so always make sure to keep your dog on a leash for his own safety. Your dog is your responsibility. If your dog spends a lot of time outdoors, he or she may eventually come in contact with a skunk. If he gets sprayed, mix together 1 teaspoon of dishwashing detergent, 1/4 cup of baking soda and 1 quart of hydrogen peroxide solution, but make sure it is no more than 3%. Apply the mixture to your dog's coat and allow it to sit for 5 minutes. Wash your dog off well afterward. Be careful if you're searching for a new dog on Craigslist or other classified ads. Many people exaggerate the truth in order to unload problems or challenging training issues, and you could end up with an impossible situation on your hands. Only talk to people who are verifiable through vet records and demonstrate positive handling experience. It's time for you to do something about your dog's weight. Your dog will only continue to get fatter if you don't do anything about it. If you truly care about your friend and companion, you'll do what it takes to make sure it stays healthy. Use these tips and help it slim down. A professional dog trainer reveals 21 brain games that will skyrocket your dog's intelligence, obedience, and overall behavior. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. You can also discover the secret to making your dog's problem behaviors disappear. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. Or, do you want to learn how to teach your dog to play the piano? How amazing would that be? Please visit wickedsmartdog.com to learn this and more. Link in the description.